I can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm. Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive it, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade most, but something's missing.
I'm gonna use this one for the bear as well. So I'm gonna use bunny. I'm gonna do bunny angel. These are my pictures from a long time ago. So I'm going to make this. I'm gonna make this colorless one. It's going to be the wings. So I have this piece of just taped it so that it doesn't move around while I'm working. Okay, let's see. Let's start with the dress. Barn red.
Santa, I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you.
Okay, unfortunately, I got distracted and I wasn't able to show you, but it's really pretty much the wing is just like a triangle, and I just put some texture on it like this. It's already drying up, so I'm gonna paint that after it all dries up. The texture for the dress, I believe once it's dry, it's gonna have a lot of texture, so we're going to highlight that with stain. And let's see, the ears, just like any type of ear, you know, for the bunny. And then I just did the mouth. And then I have these beads, and I have different sizes. So whatever head you have, I have the size for it. And this time I'm gonna get some of this green to make like a little, make sure that when you're getting a new color that you wipe your fingers, because it does dry your hand. I mean, the flower dries on your hand like this. So, and I'm just going to make like a little, it's like a bow. I have this little fingers that I made from polymer clay. It acts like a little tiny hand. I'm gonna take this to make dots. Get some red. And make a little snake, and then curl it in like this to make a rose. And then I'm just gonna stick it on the bow. And put back some of that detail. And then I'm gonna take this wire and I'm gonna poke it under her hand so I can hang the bear. I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheeks here. And we're gonna wait 4 to 7 days for it to dry. That's done.